Welcome to Bank Extract. In this video, we'll show you how to take your first steps and turn any bank statement or PDF table into clean data in just seconds. First, let's look at the interface. Bank Extract has three main areas: the center canvas, where you view your document and use your tools; the extraction zone on the left, to manage your templates and column names; and the data preview on the right, where you can check and modify your table. Step 1. Uploading your PDF. Let's begin. Click Upload PDF or simply drag your file onto the canvas. Once loaded, you'll see your data clearly in the center. Step 2. Creating columns. Now, let's use the box tool. This is your main tool to define the columns you want to export. Just draw a box over the data. By default, the app extracts words if at least 65% of the text is inside the box. You can adjust this later, but for now, the default works great. Step 3. Refining your selection. Use the selection tool to adjust your boxes for perfect precision. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just use Ctrl-Z to undo, or use the buttons at the top. Step 4. Naming and extracting. In the extraction zone, you can rename your columns to things like date or description. When you're ready, click Extract Data. Look at that! Your table appears instantly in the data preview. Step 5. Advanced Editing. If you click Edit, a new panel opens. Here you can categorize expenses or create balances. There is a lot we could talk about in this editor, but here is its main use. You can select your columns and then click the clipboard icon to copy the data and paste it directly into your sheets. You can also download your files as XLSX, CSV, or choose from other export formats. Step 6. Processing multiple pages. To apply this setup to the next page, simply click Apply Template in the extraction zone, and then Apply Current Boxes to the next page. Adjust the boxes if the bank's format shifted slightly, and you're good to go. Step 7. Cleaning the data. Bank statements can be messy with extra rows. We have a fix for that. Go to Configuration, then Extraction Settings, and click Forced Row Merge. This magically joins isolated rows into a single, clean entry. You can also play with the strictness and tolerance of the extraction for even better results. Step 8. Final export. Once you're satisfied with your data, switch the extraction mode from current to all pages, and voila! Your entire statement is processed. Inside the editor, we have a couple of ways you can export this sheet. In this case, we will click the Google Sheets icon. The app will open your browser and automatically copy the data to your clipboard. Just hit paste, and your organized Excel is ready. With these simple steps, you are ready to master Bank Extract. See you in the next tutorial. Happy extraction! Bye-bye!